Page 182, numbers 2 and 17 are about the basics of power functions. So number 2 asks, determine whether the function is a power function given c, g, k, and pi represent constants. If it is, we're supposed to state the power and constant of variation. So if we look at f of x equals 9x to the 5/3, it is a power function, so we would say yes. And then the reason it's a power function is that it is a monomial with a rational exponent and a real coefficient. And then the power is going to be the 5/3. And the constant is 9. Remember that the form of a power function is y equals k times x to the a, and it is that form. Okay, so number 17. Write an equation as a power function equation. Use k for the constant of variation if one is not given. So the area of an equilateral triangle varies directly as the square of its length s of its side. So what we're going to do is we're going to write area equals k times s squared, because this varies directly by the length of its side squared. And it did not give us a k, but we know from what we know of triangles is that k would be 1/2. But we don't need that in this case. This is all they're asking for.